going to just section my hair out of the way on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist this leave out of the way, and then we can install the wig. All right, so I have my leave out up top out of the way. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my edges, and I'm gonna just slick these back because I really don't wanna have to worry about flat ironing my edges. It's given enough so that we can move on, honey. So the wig comes like this with the little piece in the front attached. So I'm just gonna take my scissors. So you kind of get the effect of having edges out, but you don't have to like actually have edges out, you know. Okay, so this is the wig straight out of the bag and put onto my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my leave out. I'm gonna find just a little bit of the It's a 10 leave-in as a heat protectant because I have kind of been overdoing it, I'm not gonna